In a small village near the mountains, there lived a wise old man. Every morning, he would sit under a big banyan tree, greeting the villagers as they passed by. He hardly spoke, but whenever he did, his words carried deep meaning. One day, a young man named Ethan walked past the old man. When Ethan saw the old man sitting under the tree, he smirked and said, "Old man, people say you are wise. Tell me, what can you give me that I don't already have? I have money, I have nice clothes, I have respect in the village. What do you have?" The old man looked at him calmly, with a soft smile, and replied, "Son, I have something far more valuable than all those things. But first, tell me, why do you show off so much?" Ethan laughed proudly. "Why? Because that's how people notice me. That's how they respect me. If I don't show what I have, how will people know my worth?" The old man closed his eyes for a moment, then said gently, "Let me tell you a short story. Maybe then you will understand." Ethan, curious but still arrogant, sat down. The old man began. "Once, there was a peacock in a forest. He was proud of his beautiful feathers. Every morning, he spread his wings and danced, showing off to all the animals. The peacock thought he was the king of the forest. But one day, heavy rain came. The peacock spread his feathers, but this time no one looked. Suddenly, the peacock realized, when trouble comes, beauty means nothing. No one cares about your show. What matters is strength, kindness, and character." The old man paused and looked at Ethan. "Do you see, my son? Show-offs may win applause for a short time, but when storms come, the applause disappears. What remains is who you truly are." Inside, Ethan sat silently. For the first time, he felt a little embarrassed, but the old man was not finished. He leaned closer and said, "Now let me give you two treasures that will make your life shine, not on the outside, but from within." The old man took Ethan's right hand and said, "First, I give you humility. It is more powerful than pride. When you are humble, you don't need to prove anything to anyone. People will respect you naturally, without you begging for it." Then he held Ethan's left hand. "Second, I give you wisdom. It will guide you when your ego tries to control you. Wisdom will remind you that true success is not in showing off what you have, but in using what you have to help others." Ethan felt something shift in his heart. He left the old man and thought deeply about his words. For the first time, he realized that his habit of showing off had not earned him real respect. That day, Ethan decided to change. He started working quietly. Years later, Ethan became a successful businessman. But he never forgot the old man's words, and he smiled, staying humble, staying wise. Friends, the lesson is simple but powerful. Don't waste your life trying to impress others. The world does not remember show-offs. It remembers the ones who serve with humility. Be humble, be wise, and let your light shine silently.